Our labeling has to be attractive and accurate to meet regulatory requirements and accurately portray what the product is that we're trying to get to our customers. If any of those are wrong, we can have a return or we can have a bad customer experience. Having an automated system helps us reduce the amount of incorrect labels being put on a product. The impact of that is very high because if we have incorrectly labeled products, they go out to our customers and our suppliers. That can lead to regulation problems, import problems, and ultimately customers who are getting the wrong product that won't work with their plasma torches. This can lead to delays for them having to order other product, and it causes a lot of frustration and poor customer feedback for us. What Spectrum allows us to do is have an attractive product that's able to get to the customers and display accurate information and allow them to easily find what they need. We have a complicated product line with different amperages and different requirements for putting it in, and it makes it a simple process for them to be able to select what they need quickly. Spectrum has really been a step change for us. We were coming from a highly customized local install application where each station had its own custom application with a database. It was very difficult to maintain, caused a lot of failure. So we've now moved to a centralized web-based application where when we make a change in the center, that is automatically pushed out to all connecting clients. It's removed a huge amount of complexity and made things so much easier to maintain. Business rules within Spectrum allow us to customize the way the product interacts with our systems. We're able to strip out the relevant information from our long part number to get our quantity, to get our actual part number, and have that interact within the software so that we don't have multiple levels of people changing information going in. We're also able to input business rules to fit our specific needs. So we have a need where our quantity, we don't want people to be able to change that quantity above a certain level, but we do want them to change it down. If it was just a plain text field, we wouldn't be able to accomplish that. Spectrum business rules allow us to be able to have that level of customization. Loftware has really been wonderful to work with through this whole process. They've been a real partner in this process of moving into Spectrum. We feel like we can go to them with not only technical problems, but if we have just feature requests or feedback on the way the product works, they've been very responsive of not only addressing the issues very quickly, but also taking our feedback to heart and incorporating them into the product.